Hello, welcome to this GreenBroz Dry Trimmer tutorial. In this video, we will show you everything you need to know about operating your GreenBroz Dry Trimmer. First, a quick reminder that the GreenBroz Dry Trimmer is intended to be used on flower material that has been properly dried in accordance with GreenBroz standards. Please refer to our flower preparation tutorial for precise instructions. While this is an automated trimming machine, you are in complete control of the automation. You decide when the flower has reached its optimal level of trim. We find that some cultivators trim 95 to 100%, while others take it to 70 to 80% and finish with a hand trim. For proper flower preparation before using the GreenBroz Dry Trimmer, please refer to our flower preparation video that is linked in the description of this video below. Before you get started using your GreenBroz Dry Trimmer, here is a brief checklist to ensure your machine is ready to rock and roll. If you choose, you may lightly lubricate the outer edges of the blade. Remove the top blade and place 3 small drops, one at each cardinal point of the blade. Smear oil around the edge with your finger. Any light, organic, refined oil will work, such as canola or avocado oil. Make sure the on-off switch is in the on position. Next, set the forward-reverse switch to the forward position. Turn the timer switch past the 0 mark. Then, make sure the safety switch is engaged and functioning properly. If you are using our 215 model, your blade will rotate at a set 20 RPM. Our 420 model comes with a variable speed function, turning up to 20 revolutions per minute. While you can slow down the 420 dry trimmer for more delicate work, 20 RPM is the max speed. Before inserting your flower into the machine, make sure the timer is off and your blade is not in motion. Then, insert your flower. For this demonstration, we'll be trimming up some tangy in our 215 dry trimmer. It's worth noting that GreenBroz recommends sizing your flowers so that similar sized flowers trim together. This will help you obtain more uniform results per harvest run. However, if sizing your flower is not an option, we have you covered later in the video. For optimal efficiency, place several layers of your flower in the trimmer. Our 215 model averages between a ½ pound to 1 pound per run, while our 420 can accommodate 2 to 4 pounds per run. Note that you can stop your machine at any time by simply resetting the timer to 0, lifting the lid to disengage the safety switch, or by turning off your machine completely. While GreenBroz recommends monitoring your trimmer to your comfort level, constant interaction with your flower while in the trimmer is not necessary. Let's explain. First, the adjustable brush arm assists in the gentle rolling of your flower so that all flower surfaces are engaged with the blade. You can set your brush firmly so that it maintains just enough contact to gently roll your flower through the trimming chamber. The brush arm can easily be adjusted with the tension knob on the outside of your machine. The brush can be loosened and allowed to dance over the flowers as they rotate in the chamber. It's a matter of personal preference. Please note that when using the brush, you want to be mindful of using the reverse function so as not to push your flower into the brush going against the grain. This could cause less than an ideal result to your flower. If you require minimal contact for more delicate strains, for example, the brush arm can be raised out of the trimming chamber and away from your flower. For an even more delicate option, you can remove the sweeper bars inside the machine, which also assist in the gentle rolling of your flower. The next way the GreenBroz Dry Trimmer does the work for you is through our patented blade design. The opposing blade pattern creates gentle opening and closing diamond-shaped slots. These slots facilitate a cutting action resulting in thousands of little scissors gently catching, pulling, and clipping the leaves of the flower as it circulates, but leaves the flower brilliantly intact. The angle of our blade also provides a gentle experience, creating enough gravity to assist in the rotation of your flower, but not enough to cause any harmful vertical drops. By clicking the machine between forward and reverse, you can apply a small amount of directional momentum to your flower, helping it to rotate. You can also use this trick if you see or hear a stem stuck between the blades. Typically, a quick forward-reverse toggle will rectify the situation. Please note, GreenBroz recommends minimal use of the reverse setting while trimming. While you may use the function to briefly free a caught stem or to shake a couple of flowers, the GreenBroz Dry Trimmer is designed to be used in the forward setting and will not produce optimal results in reverse. Now that you know how the machine is working for you, let's get to what you should do when you're nearly done trimming. While GreenBroz encourages the sizing of your flower before you insert it into the trim chamber, here's a helpful hack if sizing is not an option for you. If you are trimming a variety of flower sizes at the same time, the hopper door can be lifted to multiple levels to filter out your flower as it reaches your desired trim. Since smaller flowers tend to finish trimming first, lift the hopper door minimally to allow the finished smaller flowers to exit the trim chamber, while the larger flowers continue to trim. When the remaining flower is trimmed to your satisfaction, simply lift the hopper door the rest of the way and your flower will exit the machine. Note the forward-reverse switch can briefly be toggled back and forth to assist your flower in exiting the machine. Just another way in which you can remain hands-off your product. Once your run is over, you can either load up another run of that strain or take a minute to clean out your machine and get ready for a new strain. For detailed cleaning instructions, please refer to the How to Clean Your GreenBroz Dry Trimmer video posted on GreenBroz.com. Since we're done trimming for the day, we're going to give our machine a quick clean. Take a natural bristle brush and give your machine a quick wipe down, removing the top blade and checking under it to ensure you're ready for your next run. While a small amount of residue is to be expected, should you see any green smearing from your past run, then your flower is too moist and should be dried further in the future. You can easily remove any residue with a metal paint scraper to get you right back and ready to go. The simple cleaning process takes 5 to 10 minutes and does not require the use of a cumbersome pressure washer. Instead, just use a little GreenBroz resin clear followed by isopropyl alcohol and you're right back in business. Now that you've finished your run, let's take a look at the trim produced by your GreenBroz machine. You'll notice your trim is perfectly preserved, adding another product to your arsenal. This trim is perfect for extracts, edibles, pre-rolls, or just about anything else you can think of. Congratulations, you are now ready to use your GreenBroz Dry Trimmer. Take a look at some of these before and after photos as trimmed by the GreenBroz Dry Trimmer in today's demo.